Good morning, adventure seekers. Orcutt Car Show, December 31st, I guess it is. Happy New Year's. 1930 Ford Model A, looking good. See if you can get one of those electric cars. 100 years old, it'll be nothing but hazardous waste. Check out this Ford. Quite the beauty. All right. Let's see what else we got going on here today at the show. A little Camaro SS 396. I like that. Get you there quickly, that's for sure. Good looking BMW. What do you think, man? You want some high priced parts?
Big labor.
Big labor. Big money car. All right. What else we got here? We got Ray's crazy Pismo beach truck. This thing will haul. You call, he hauls with this baby. And we got the Pinsgauer Push 4-wheel drive madness. Gotta love this thing. It is set for the camping excursions. A good looking Ford Mustang 5.0 liter. Keeping it clean. Looking nice. Love the red. Oh, photo men are out. 5.0 supercharged Ford Mustang. I'd like this baby. Get you there in a hurry. Another 5.0. Got the whole club going today here. Good looking white. Keeping it clean. Serious GMC 2500 Duramax diesel. May not be keeping it clean, but he's using it for what it's designed for. Yeah, 4x4 action. Sling some mud. Little Corvette. Nice looking Corvette. Grand Sport. LS3 powered. I like that. You're looking right. Right next to another LS3 Corvette. Looking good. Good looking 326. Pretty nice little restoration going on here. Pretty good. Pontiac. Porsche street racing machine. The Japanese accoutrements. Japanese street racer. Gotta like that. So God, look at this Oregon Jeep Wrangler. Looks like fun. Love that body style. Short wheelbase, high ground clearance. Get you where you need to go in style. 2015 Slingshot SL. Ready for the road. Drive it all year long in California. Who cares about the weather? Get you where you need to go in style and fun. See what else we got. Louis Baja Bug. Ready for Pismo action. Fun little ride. Serious looking wheels and tires on this one. Love the looks of this. Nice stance. Restoration. Like Chevrolet. Pretty good. Raspberry creamsicle Chevrolet. Morning, how are you? Chevy 20. Love the color of this one. Great job on it. Beautiful example of 1933 Ford. Beautiful. Love that red. Keeps it spotless too. Like that. Check out the Divco van, delivery van. Modifying it up. New seats. Looking good. All the whole family in this baby. Deliver some donuts. Oh, Willie man! Willie boy! Better watch it. Alright. There's Ida's business coupe. 1937. This coupe means business. All right, adventure seekers. Every Sunday morning, bring whatever you got. Motorcycle, car, truck. 10 o'clock. I had to put this together. People donate the gifts. We give it their way. Free to enter. Free to win. Look, somebody even brought a bicycle today. Can give that away. Can win that baby. All right, looking good.
Good luck.
Raised ride, built from the ground up, 1968 Camaro. Took his time with that one, from a rusted Hulk to a beautiful machine. All right, check out this example of a beautiful Ford. Gotta like that. Dialed in, beautiful interior, looking good. I like it. Nice little VW Beetle. United States Marine Corps. Thank you for your service. Especially Marines. Oldsmobile Cutlass Supreme Action. Old school cruiser. Check out the Yellow Nova. Nice looking example. Chevy 283. Interior's nice restoration. Malibu SS Action. Good looking car. Alright. Let's see what the International KB1 sounds like. Heading out. Alright. The Beam Scour Poop.